So you can see it's ready. It's ready. Oh. Everyone, hope you had a wonderful day. Well, today we're going to be making a simple but delicious recipe using spaghetti and ingredients we are, I love veggies, so I'm using a lot of veggies. So we have our red pepper, our green pepper, we have our normal pepper here, we have our fresh tomatoes, we have our green beans, carrots, onion. I also have cabbage, and we're going to be adding a little bit of shrimp to it. So let's get the ball rolling. Here's the water for the spaghetti. I already have salt in the water, added salt, so I'm just adding the spaghetti into it. So make sure it's inside the water. I will leave it to boil until it gets soft. Spaghetti, so soft. Okay, it's time to filter it. Let it drain off for some time. We're going to be eating noodles with fish. So I've already prepped the fish, washed, scaled, then I seasoned it with a little bit of salt, stock cube. You can see pepper there. Yes, I added pepper, dry pepper. Then I have a little bit of oil, okay, and flour just to thicken the paste. So we'll be frying it in few minutes, so you can see. So our fish is going into the frying pan. We've come to the part I love most. So we're going to fry until it's a bit translucent. So next I just added tomato and pepper. So we're going to let it cook for some time. Alright, the next thing to add is green beans. I'm going to be adding shrimp. So I'm adding salt. I'm adding cinnamon. And I'm going to add my stock cube. I'll give it a beautiful stir. Oh, did you see it? It's looking very colorful and beautiful. Right now we're going to add all the veggies. to stir. Oh, this is called veggie pasta. We're adding the carrots. So this is the flakes from the fish that I threw. So I just added tomato paste a little bit, and I'm adding powdered curry. So I'm giving it a good stir. We're going to let it cook for a few minutes, then we'll add the spaghetti. So it's ready. So now we're going to add spaghetti. Oh, all right, I'm going to stir. When I'm done stirring, I'll show you what it looks like. So let's see, it's ready. It's ready. So it's time to dish. Oh, we're done. Thank you for watching. Bye. Let me have my dinner.